The next thing I want to work on is my productivity and narrowing down more time that I can work, right? So I don't, from up until 10:30, it's family time and Kalani time doing like self-storage. But I listened to a guy named Jason Lewis who owns a company in Salt Lake, and they sold to, out of all their buyers, they sold like 130 deals, and they sold to 126 different people. Like some crazy number to where he had 126 different buyers. And he doesn't talk to anybody until 11 o'clock in the morning. And he has 2 different phones. He has a phone to where if the world is melting, you can call this phone. His other like phone, that is his work phone, his wife locks it in a box. And he has to go and ask his wife to go get the phone. And only his assistant has the number to the bat phone.
To the bat phone.
To the bat phone. And that's what he called it, the bat phone. I was like, man, I like that.
So he has a bat phone, which is the one that he carries on him all the time because that's the emergency phone, right?
And then his
the SOS. That's the SOS. That's the SOS phone.
That's the
right?
SOS phone.
So it rarely rings.
So it rarely rings. And he's like, bro, if you are calling me on this shit, someone better have lost a leg or they better be dying.
Because he's about to lose a leg because the other phone's locked up.
Yeah, the other phone's locked up. But I liked it, bro, just because I thought about buying one of those really simple phones. But then I was like, no, that's not good enough.
No, you got to be an iPhone regardless.